guys, welcome to Apex Motorhome. Don't forget to subscribe, leave an awesome comment, and smash that like button. And hey, if you want to watch our latest videos before everyone else, make sure you press the bell icon right now.
What if I told you the future of luxury travel has officially arrived on American highways? Meet the unbelievable 2027 Kenworth A6 Sportback e-tron, a futuristic 3-floor luxury motorhome finished in a stunning royal teal and champagne gold color combination that looks absolutely unreal day or night. Welcome back to Apex Motorhome, where today we are exploring one of the craziest RVs ever built. The exterior instantly grabs attention with aggressive aerodynamic body lines, glowing LED light bars, animated welcome lights, giant panoramic windows, digital mirrors, chrome accents, and illuminated underglow lighting. The futuristic drive cab looks more advanced than a private jet cockpit. As the owner walks closer, an AI face scan system automatically unlocks the entrance while ambient lights glow across the body. Inside the drive cab, luxury captain seats offer massage, heating, and cooling functions. A massive digital dashboard stretches wall to wall with holographic navigation, self-driving assistance, night vision cameras, AI voice control, and 360-degree road monitoring systems. Now let's talk about the insane outdoor camping setup. The giant electronic slide-outs are already extended beside a breathtaking American mountain lake destination. Families and tourists are enjoying luxury barbecue parties under glowing lights while music plays around the campsite. Outdoor lounge sofas, retractable awnings, giant entertainment screens, smart fire pits, and premium grills transform the area into a 5-star outdoor resort. Beside the campsite sits a stunning illuminated outdoor swimming pool connected directly with the RV setup. The royal teal reflections across the water make the entire scene look cinematic at night. Now entering the first floor, the interior feels like a billionaire penthouse suite. Marble flooring, crystal lighting, champagne gold trims, and royal teal ambient lighting create a futuristic atmosphere. The living room includes curved OLED displays, reclining sofas, holographic controls, and hidden surround sound systems. The first kitchen features AI cooking systems, hidden storage, smart refrigerators, wine coolers, induction grills, and touch-activated counters. Nearby, the first luxury washroom includes heated floors, golden rainfall showers, touchless controls, and futuristic mirrors. The first bedroom offers a floating king-size bed, panoramic windows, hidden wardrobes, mood lighting, and a digital ceiling displaying artificial stars at night. Beside it is a luxury office area with transparent screens, wireless charging desks, and satellite internet. The second floor focuses on wellness and relaxation. A futuristic gym includes smart workout mirrors, advanced training systems, and recovery equipment. Nearby, the luxury spa area offers steam rooms, hydrotherapy seating, aromatherapy systems, massage chairs, and waterfall walls. This floor also includes another kitchen, another washroom, and another breathtaking bedroom designed like a presidential suite with velvet finishes, giant entertainment screens, and floor-to-ceiling windows. One special area is the Advanced Medication and Wellness Center, where health systems automatically monitor the owner while emergency telemedicine technology connects directly with doctors across America. Before reaching the rooftop deck, viewers see the massive American engineering facility where skilled USA engineers carefully build every detail of the 2027 Kenworth A6 Sportback e-tron using robotics and handcrafted luxury materials. Now comes the third-floor rooftop deck, and honestly, this part steals the entire show. Up here you'll find luxury lounge seating, glowing glass railings, outdoor dining spaces, entertainment screens, and the unbelievable rooftop swing pool overlooking mountains, beaches, forests, and city skylines. But here's the craziest surprise. The new A6 Sportback e-tron can now float on water. Watching this giant royal teal and champagne gold luxury mansion smoothly floating across the ocean feels absolutely unbelievable. If this futuristic masterpiece blew your mind, subscribe right now to Apex Motorhome because the future of luxury travel is only getting crazier from here.